Hey there, friends. Nibs again. Out here in the garage tonight. Do a little bit of goofing around. We are definitely into winter now. It's been snowing pretty good the last couple weeks, and it is pretty chilly outside, but it's nice here in the garage. Short sleeve weather still. So, got my hot cup of coffee and my walnut and steel coffee mug. We are going to be doing just a little bit of plinking with I showed you guys the Webley Nemesis CO2 last week, and this week I want to show you guys its predecessor, the Webley Nemesis single stroke pneumatic, which is a really nice gun. This one is I'm pretty sure I know I put it head to head, but I'm pretty sure I put it head to head against the Baikal, and I actually beat the Baikal with this one. So it is a very nice shooting gun. Is where I'm going with that. But these were made back in, I believe, maybe the 80s, definitely into the 90s, and then they were discontinued. But pretty nice, really nice. So this one was made in Great Britain. Got a couple of splatter bursts there for starters. Really nice. I'm shooting Meister Coogan 8.2 grain wad cutters in this guy. So the trigger is a little bit stiffer on this one than the Baikal. It's probably in the 1 poundish range, maybe a little over 1 pound. Let's see, I have that Rojo. I don't think it's got much power to spin that all the way around, but we can hit it anyway. It's still a nice target to shoot at. I have my silhouette set up there. Let's hit the ram. No problem. All right, so I have a couple of paintballs set up there. First one on the left is the green paintballs have yellow in them, and then the other one is kind of a bluish, purplish color, and it has orange gel inside of them. And those ones aren't splattering very good. Let's see if we can hit that orange one first on the right side and see what kind of splatter we can get out of it. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Maybe I just wasn't hitting them good before. So I think the yellow ones still splatter a little bit better, but they're still fun. This is a great shooting gun, though. All right, let's hit the pig. No problem at all. Kind of fun just to get out here with the shooting gallery and plink around. Let's go back up to that other splatter burst. Oop, that one went a little low. That was all me. I kind of flinched down right at the last second. Let's try that again. There we go. Still a little low, but all right. Think I can hit the chicken? There we go. Let's see. Oh, that one bounced back and hit me in the belly. So obviously I hit low. All right, let's see here. of a sudden we're hitting low. Why is that? There we go. Alrighty, so let's see if we can hit that green paintball. Get some yellow. Now that one didn't, I hit it, I certainly hit it, but it didn't splatter very good. Oh well. Let's hit the turkey. Ooh, just barely knocked him over. I'm gonna reset those metal targets. We'll run through them one more time. We're still doing good on time here. Alrighty, I decided to throw up a another yellow paintball too, so I wasn't really satisfied with the way that one turned out. So we'll see if we can make a little bit more of a mess. But let's hit the ram first. Do a headshot. Or not. Alright. Let's hit the pig. Trying to shoot with my eyes open, and it doesn't seem to be helping me any. People keep telling me I should shoot with my eyes open when I'm shooting open sights like this, but let me see if I can do better without that. Seems like I'm shooting low here. Let me check the splatter burst here. Yeah, that wasn't low. Guess it's just me. All right, back to the pig. All right, that's better. All right, let's see if we can hit that splatter or that paintball now. So I'm so used to shooting the like the P3 and the P17, and when you close those, you got to flip off the safety. This one shoots exactly the same way, except for there's no automatic safety on it. All right, I got it. Made a little bit better of a splash. Usually the yellow ones make a lot of a mess. All right, let's get the, let's see if we can get the chicken. Yep. All right, let's hit the turkey and then we'll get out of here. Such a fun shooting gun though. Still getting used to these new microphones. Seems like I was getting a little bit too much noise. I put it down a little bit lower. Hopefully not getting as much. When I talk a little bit louder, I was getting a little bit of distortion. Alrighty, there we go. So lots of fun, lots of fun. So a probably 20-plus-year-old Webley Nemesis single stroke pneumatic. You can find one of these. Absolutely fantastic shooting gun. I didn't do it any justice here today, but trust me when I say it is a fantastic shooting gun. So, hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.